Welcome to the last video in this course. Now this isn't really a lesson because you're not going to have any meditations or mantras or homework. This is just me saying thank you to you. I'm very grateful that you've come in to participate in this course, and congratulations as well if you got this far. You know, it's very common in life that people don't complete things, so if you have, well done. Now, the letting go technique has been extremely profound for myself and countless others in elevating their physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual lives. And I really hope the same for you. Now, there are many courses here on this platform. I've recently started it. I think this is our third course we've created. We've done one on the energy body and the state that we use for our martial and our spiritual life, and one on the first forms of Wing Chun, which is up here, the internal Wing Chun system. And we're going to be having many more courses to come in the coming weeks, where I'm literally making them with Nu, our camera guy just behind there. Can you say hi or not really? Oh, that was him. So you've heard him. Maybe one day you might see him. Anyway, we're going to be making courses every couple of weeks for you guys. If there are any particular courses that you'd like, that you find will be beneficial for you on your personal, spiritual, or even your mental, emotional, or physical or martial life, just let us know and we'll do our best to make them for you. Anyway, once again, much love. Thank you again for doing the Letting Go course. If you have any comments, put them below, and I look forward to seeing you in one of our next lessons and videos. Thank you.